tutorial. My name is Danielle Barnett and I'm the Arts Education Director for Bohemian Arts. Today I'm going to give you a basic introduction into the world of hand lettering and calligraphy. This tutorial is going to focus specifically on faux calligraphy. Let's get into it. So this style of lettering doesn't require any special writing instruments like a calligraphy nib or brush pens, like these ones. This technique can be done with any writing utensil, such as a pen or a pencil. So before we begin with my simple guide, there are 3 main strokes that you should remember. First, there's the upstroke, which in the case of calligraphy is usually the thinnest stroke that we have. So that's when you're going in an upward direction. Then there's the downstroke, which is the thickest part. So in faux calligraphy, that's the part that's filled in. And then there's the midstroke, which is like the crossing of a T or an A or an X or something like that. So with that, let's get started. There are really 3 main steps to creating faux calligraphy lettering. The first step is to write a word or phrase. Now, here you're going to want to pay attention to the direction in which you're writing, whether you're going in an upward direction or downward direction. Second, we're going to add a downstroke. Now for this step, we're going to draw a line parallel to the downstrokes. So this is going to provide that thickness that we need to give our lettering from step 1, that signature calligraphy look. Third, we're just going to fill it in. So now all you have to do is fill in the lines that you created. Remember, this is just one basic font that I'm showing you. You can create countless variations depending on your own style. If you'd like to follow along with me using the same practice sheets that I have here, you can download them from our website at bohemianarts.org.
this faux calligraphy tutorial. Become part of our Bohemian Arts family by sharing your art with us by tagging @BohemianArtsOrg or using the hashtag #LetteringWithDanielle. Visit our website for more resources and free tutorials like this, to stay up to date on our latest classes and upcoming events, or to make a donation at bohemianarts.org.